Park on Detroit's west side.
Yeah, this happened overnight as the victims were sitting around a bonfire. 7 Action News reporter Brian Abel is live. Brian, what have you learned about the victims?
Yeah, we now have the identity, the name of one of the two victims here on scene. Her name is Andrea Gardner. Take a look. We have images of her provided by her family right now. She's 25 years old. She was shot in the head here on scene and died on scene. This all happened around 12:15 this morning. A group of individuals here at a bonfire, a makeshift bonfire. It was kind of a spur of the moment thing that we're told by somebody else that was here on scene. They say that there was no altercations, no arguments that happened during this bonfire, but at some point they were ambushed by a shooter who showed up here. This is right near Harry Laker Playground in Laker Park on Central, the 7400 block of Central. A shooter showed up here and opened fire. At least 30 shots, we're told. People were having to dive behind cars. They say that some of the cars actually probably saved some lives here on scene, but 2 people were hit. Andrea Gardner, the first one, and then a second one, a male, a 25-year-old man who went to Henry Ford Hospital and he died there. The shooter, we don't know who that shooter is. Police still searching for him at this time. One of the individuals here at this bonfire party say right after that gunfire erupted, a black Charger pulled up and then quickly left. Unsure if that's connected or not. Police won't confirm that they are indeed looking for a black Charger yet, but that is the information we have at this point. So an active search underway, and police are asking for anyone's help if anybody knows of how this happened here on scene. Reporting live in Detroit, Brian Abel, 7 Action News.